In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset the password of your ANZ Bank account if you have forgotten it. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in anz.com.au and press enter. You will now be taken into the official ANZ Bank website. Simply click on the login button at the top right corner and you will end up in the login portal. Now, if you have forgotten your password or your login information, simply click on the Forgot Login Details button underneath the Register button. Now you will be asked whether you know your customer registration number. If you click on Yes, then you will be asked to enter it. Simply enter your customer registration number and then click on the next button. If you don't, you can also select No and then click on the next button. You will now be shown what things you will need to reset your password. Click on the next button and you will be asked to enter your card number followed by your card PIN. After entering your debit card number and your PIN, click on the next button and you will be sent a verification code to your phone number or your email address. After completing your verification, you will then be allowed to set up a new password for your account. Go ahead and set up a new password and now you will be allowed to log in to your account once again using your customer registration number and your new password. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to reset your forgotten password on ANZ Bank. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also, ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.